students, how are you? I hope that you all will be fine, staying home and doing creative works on your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to teach you another topic of our modals or other modals like dare, need and must know. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic.
Dare, need. Dare and need are very different from other verbs. They can be used as main verbs also. They are then followed by to plus first form of the verb. Look at the example. He dares to defy his parents. She dared to stand close to the angry dog. He needs to be polite to others. The matter needed to be handled quickly. We can form this interrogative and negative with the help of do, just like other verbs. Does he dare to defy his parents? He doesn't dare to defy his parents. Did it need to be told to everyone? It didn't need to be told to everyone. It means we could make them, we could use them in the interrogative or negative sentences with the help of word do. Now their uses. Need. Need is used to express necessity or obligation. It is commonly used in negatives and imperatives. He needn't give up tennis. Need I help him? Now again, need can also be used to denote requirement or desire. Like I don't need your help. You could also say that I need to go from there. I need to learn for exams. Dare. Dare means to have the courage or to be brave enough to face someone or something. Like India is ready to dare any foreign attack. It means brave enough to say India is ready to ready means to dare any foreign attack. It means they are brave enough to bear any foreign attack. How dare she say this? Dare can also be used to indicate a challenge. I dare you to eat all the food on the table. Here we are using word dare modal auxiliary dare to express a challenge. I dare you to prove that my observation is wrong. Now the expression I dare say simply means perhaps. I dare say he is a liar. It means perhaps he is a liar. I dare say it may rain. Perhaps it may rain. Now students, one important needn't. Needn't means lack of necessity or absence of obligation. I have already told you that need is used in the negative sentences mostly. I needn't buy tomatoes. There are plenty of tomatoes in the fridge. Same like that, one modal is had better. Had better is used to give advice. You had better revise your lessons. Next modal is must note. Must we had already done. Must note is used for prohibition. Example, you must not smoke in the hospital. I hope that students you got the all modal auxiliaries we have discussed in our 3 videos. Thanks for watching.